From this video, today we are going to learn indices rule 3. From our previous videos, we already learned about indices rule 1 and 2. Zero index. This is our indices rule 3. Let's look at this example. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5. We can write 2 to the power 5 over the line and 2 to the power below the line. Write 2 to the power 5 as repeated multiplication over the line, and below the line write 2 to the power 5 as repeated multiplication. Now cancel the line. Answer is 1. Now you can apply indices rule 2 for this one. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5. Apply rule 2, indices rule 2. What is the indices rule 2? That is division rule. When the bases are same, you can subtract the indices. Bases are same, base is 2 here. 5 subtract 5. Answer is 2 to the power 0. Then you can write here 2 to the power 0 equal 1 from the first simplification, and the second simplification 2 to the power 0 equal 1. Indices rule 3. Let's do this example. X to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3. X to the power 3 over the line, x to the power 3 below the line. Write x as x to the power 3 as repeated multiplication, and below the line x to the power 3 also as repeated multiplication. Cancel over the line and below the line. Answer is 1. Now apply the rule 2 of indices for this one. X to the power 3 divided by x to the power 3. X to the power 3, when the bases are equals, you can subtract the indices. X to the power 0. X to the power 0 equals 1. This is the indices rule 3, that is called zero index. We can apply this when x unequal 0. A power of which the index is 0 is known as a power with 0 index. Any base to the 0 index is equal 1 when x unequal 0. We can write like this. 5 to the power 0 equals 1. 10 to the power 0 equals 1. Even 1000 to the power 0 equals 1. X to the power 0 equals 1. So meaning of this is like this. Any base to the 0 index equals 1 when x unequals 0. Let's apply indices rule 3 for the following sum. Simplify and find the value. A to the power 0 equals 1. Any base to the power 0 equal 1, then we can write a to the power 0 equal 1. Xy to the power 0 equal 1. Then also answer is 1. 2a over 3b to the power 0, 1, 0. Then what is the answer? Answer also 1 also. It's look like complex. Only simple thing that you have to do here. Now here separately apply indices rule 1 over the line and below the line. Bases are same. A to the power 3 plus 5 plus 1. Below the line also bases are same. A to the power 6 plus 3. A to the power 9 over the line. A to the power 9 below the line. So now you can apply the indices rule 2, division rule. A to the power 9 minus 9, a to the power 0. Now apply the indices rule 3. What is that? 0 index. A to the power 0 equal 1. This is the answer. Then we repeat 3 rules when we are doing this for sum. First rule apply for over the line and below the line separately. Indices. Second rule apply for division. After that we apply the third rule and we got the answer here.